Okay, so let's do the next activity. Okay, so look at here. Let's do part 3, questions 11 to 20. Okay, so look at the sentences below about an art gallery. Read the text to decide if each sentence is correct or incorrect. If it's correct, mark A on your answer sheet. If it's not correct, mark B on your answer sheet. So here, Ivan. Okay, please read the following words.
Direct. Tell or show somebody how to get somewhere or where to go. Bloom, plum. Produce flowers. Improve. Become better than before to make somebody better than before. Expand. To make something greater in size, number, or importance.
Okay, so we have your direct, bloom, improve, and expand. You understand these words?
Yes.
Okay, let's move now. So here, Ivan, in this way. Okay, you're going to do this. Write A if it's in the, wait me. Let me read. Okay, Ivan, write A if it's correct and B if it's not, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Done. 11. Children can answer quiz questions about some specially chosen pictures. A. 12. The gallery has few pictures like their new one by Jan van Oes. B. It took Jan van Oes a lot of time to complete his picture. A. The gallery had to pay a lot for the new picture. No. The special exhibition has pictures by Spanish artists by the other artists who worked in Spain. A. The Easter quiz is on for longer than the special exhibition. No. In the gallery on any Wednesday in April, you can learn about 18th century Spanish painters. A. The gallery has just opened a restaurant for visitors. A. A guide takes visitors around the gallery twice every day. No. You can see paintings from all over the world in the gallery. No.
Okay, Ivan, let's check now your answer. Number 1, children can answer. Look at here. Wait me. Children can answer quiz questions about some specially chosen pictures. The answer here is, oh, very good. That's true. Number 12, the gallery has few pictures like their new one by Jan van O. Oh, that's correct, Ivan. Because they have new pictures. 13, it took Jan Van a lot of time to complete his picture, correct? 14, the gallery had to pay a lot for the new picture. B, that's wrong, correct? Number 15, a special exhibition has pictures by Sarah Spanish artists. A, correct. 16, the Easter quiz is on for longer than special exhibition, correct. 17, in the gallery on a Wednesday in April, you can learn about 18th century Spanish painters, correct? That's true. 18, the gallery has just opened a restaurant for visitors. Oh, it's not just for visitors. Next, but also for customers. Next, number 19, a guide takes visitors around the gallery twice every day, correct? 20, you can see paintings from all over the world in the gallery. Very good. There you go, Ivan. You just got 2 mistakes, which is not that bad. All right. Okay, Ivan, you did great in the reading and writing. You got perfect in the first activity, and in the second one, we just got 2 mistakes, which makes you a good student. Okay, so continue doing good, Ivan. Just be careful next time in understanding, okay? So that would be all for today. I'll see you again next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher. See you next time.
Yeah, see you again.